This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for December 30th, 2022. It's currently November 6th, 2022, 11:32 p.m. Eastern Time. The overall theme and behavior, we have a notable move higher on a multi-day chart. It'll stand out, pushing the upper end of a range higher. Something interesting to point out is that we have the same exact ruin in almost an identical place. I mean, it's almost identical because of the way the cards were, the photos were edited, but it wasn't on purpose. It's very interesting that it's like that. My sense is we probably come up against. It's possible that this price level is the price level we see here midday. The price level of the low for the 30th may be the price level that we see midday as the high for the S&P 500 on the 29th. It's possible. Behavior around the high, we have a decline, two declines with an incline in between. It creates a sideways S formation between a channel. So you go from a resistance down to a support, reverse, retrace all the way back to resistance, reverse again, and retrace all the way back to support, creating a sideways S formation. Behavior around the low, there'll be a crest that we sell down to and through a support level, and then we do a U-shaped dip, creating the low, and come back and reuse that price level as support. I'm advised to trade around a significant price level on a multi-day chart. It'll stand out as a key technical price level. And also, I'm advised to close any maybe losing sides of like sometimes I do. I'll put on like a vertical call spread or a vertical put spread. I'll put it on the leg at a time. So I'm advised here when I see this to remove like the dying, like the leftovers, to remove like any losing positions, to just get out of them, cut losses. All right, so behavior in the pre-market, we have a U-shaped dip that forms near the intersection of two perpendicular diagonal trend lines. It looks like we'll probably have a move higher through a resistance. We stay above it briefly and then break down through it and create this U-shaped dip. At the open, we rally into a key resistance level on a one-day chart, and then we break down from that resistance level around the open with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down into roughly 10 o'clock, and then there's another resistance level highlighted here around 10 to 11-ish, from which point, after hitting it, there's quite a bit of volatility. That's likely the price level, that resistance level that we hit it with the strife card, and then probably again, maybe not, but there's a key price level here first thing in the morning. Then we do three crisscrosses back and forth through the same price level. There's a trade around this price level here, and then a big move higher midday in the midst of some erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. We revisit a crest there. It looks like that was recently a past opportunity. And then between roughly 1 and 2-ish, there's a prominent move higher on a one-day chart, followed by a full retracement of that move, and then a move higher along a diagonal trend line between roughly 2 and 3, breaking through horizontal resistance, meeting a second resistance, and then falling back to somewhere between those two price levels. In the last hour, there's a notable drop. We break through a resistance level, break through a support level that we had recently broken through before. But we do end around the close at a day's high. So there's some sideways fluctuations with a bullish trend there, and some bumping along resistance in the post-market. Sneak preview for the following day, we open higher with an opportunity to open up a short position. And that's December 30th, 2022 for the S&P 500. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. The channel needs you, the universe needs you, and you need you, my friends. So make sure you spend everything out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. I'll see you on the next one.